Earthquake is the shaking movement of the Earth's surface which creates seismic waves. It is a sudden and violent shaking which causes disaster. The shocks we receive in earthquake arise from deep inside the earth. Earthquake can originate at any point of the earth's crust and can cause damage. A huge energy is released which crosses through the rocks and comes to Earth's surface. Magnitude of earthquake originated at a point measured by Richter scale. Intensity of earthquake which has affected the place is measured by Mercalli scale. Generally, the first shock of earthquake is heavy, which is called as main shock. After the main shock, the tremor which comes have low density called as aftershock. About 50,000 earthquakes large enough to be noticed without the aid of instruments occur annually over the entire Earth.